Okay, what we're going to get to see here today is the very first test of the lift going up. I bought this lift on December 21st, 2023. And today is January 28th, Sunday afternoon. And this is the Advantaged Lift ALSC10, 10,000 pound lift. You're going to watch it go up for the first time. I've already taken some time to set up the arms. I'm going to plug it in real quick. And up we go. Just going to check, make sure we're recording. It appears we are recording. All right, here we go. You're going to see the lights dim just for a second. All right, up we go. This is the first time it's actually going to go up. Okay. Obviously, it'll go up a little more. Let's see how far it goes. Never done it before. She is on the locks. Fantastic. We've already give it the shake test. Pretty damn solid. So anyway, there it is. There's the first lift. And boy, that's a beautiful thing. I'm going to take this off the holder here. And I have this set up to pick this truck up exactly as I had it on my lift in Florida, which is you pull the truck in, get out, and roll it back just to the back of the door is even with the back of this lift arm. And the front tires, center of the tire lines up on that DT line on both sides. And then I got some black marks over here. Drive those front wheels in on them and you're perfectly centered. That's what it looks like. Very, very cool. These little screw adjusters on the arms I didn't have on the other lift. That's pretty nice. Very nice. Fantastic. Obviously, all the weight on this truck, most of the weight on any vehicle is always in the front where your motor and transmission and stuff is. And I've still got plenty of room back here, even with the hitch, to walk behind the vehicle with the door down. That's very cool. Just witnessed the very first lift of the Dodge. He's up in the air. Really like these lift arms, they're nice. They got the little cups on them so they don't slide. These locks work perfectly. Very pleased with this lift. There's a good shot of the door. You can see where the edge of the driver's door is about equal with the lift. That's exactly how it went up on the Benpack also. Every vehicle will be different. So anyway, that's the complete install on the first lift of my Advantage lift. Again, I'll show you a little picture of it. That's what I bought, Advantage Lift ALSC10. And these people here at Advantage Lift have been absolutely fantastic to deal with. They shipped me out my damaged parts Friday. So when you call, somebody answers on the phone, you want to talk to somebody, they talk to you, they call you back. You know, in today's world, that's pretty rare. All right, I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to roll all these video clips into the other ones. And that concludes it. The old lift is operational. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody if you're thinking about buying one of these lifts. Works great. All right, I'm gone.